In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the shape color in Google Slides. So if you have shapes on your slides, then you can simply customize the color by following these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and insert our shape. And I'll do this by clicking on insert, and then I'll choose this option called shape. And for this, I'll just create this rectangle shape. And you can see the color here. However, I'm not interested with this color of this shape, and I'd like to change it. Now to change it, head over to this color fill option, and you'll see we have quite a number of colors that you can use. So choose from this and it will immediately be applied on your shape. However, should you want to choose your custom color, you can just click on this custom and you can enter your hex color, or you can also enter your RGB color numbers to attain a specific color. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on OK, and the shape color will have been changed. So that's how you can change the color of your shapes in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.